Best location in the complex. Storage garage. Water and sunset views. Private and quiet end unit overlooking Famosa Slough, 2 parking spaces plus the only garage in the complex, spacious open floor plan. Beautifully updated with quartz countertops, laminate flooring, crown molding, in unit west/D, extra large primary bedroom closet, second bedroom closet with custom built-ins, AC, quieter homes program completed, guest bath off of living area. Come home to resort-style living with almost 13 acres of saltwater pool, spa, tennis courts, workout room, clubhouse, kids playground, barbecues, lush landscaping and park-like areas. Easy access to beaches, freeways, dining, shopping.